Get ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready! I'm ready!
What? 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 What?
So, hey, listen.
What?
I've been perfecting my Demon Marge voice.
Hurry. Dude, the Far Cry 5 ending disappointed me.
Don't tell me.
It was
Give me-
was weird.
Give me a movie line to say in my Demon Marge voice.
You did good, pig. Or that'll do, pig.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Yes.
Harm me.
Nathan!
Harm me.
It's too weird you can't turn on your mic, like, to talk to people, because I would fucking mess with people. Can you do that? Can you actually... Can you turn your mic public? Mikey?
I don't think so.
You can do it in PUBG. Fuck this game.
Nah, you're right though.
Yeah,
Nathan, I got you a weapon.
I got
Meet
one
me.
already. I got one already.
Nathan, come here.
Where are you?
Nathan, come here.
Ah.
Nathan, come here. Take it.
No, I
Take
have
it.
better. I have a green. I'm okay.
You'd be
Yeah.
dead right now.
In PUBG, I'm gonna take that pistol before that guy takes it. Fuck you, Asian dude. But yeah, in PUBG, they actually have a zombie mode where they have their own skin and everything. It looks really cool. Where are we going?
Lucky landing.
Oh, okay.
If Dylan gets on and Austin gets on, we can do squads.
Yeah, if Dylan and Austin get on, we could do squads. Dylan. I mean, if you want to get on, we're playing. Yeah, but dude, if I ever get PUBG, you know I will fuck with people. In the zombie mode. I'll just be running at them like,
Harm me. Yeah.
Nathan, where? Oh, there you are. I couldn't
Hey.
see your marker.
Make your dreams come true. Do it. Harm me. Harm me. Bring me eggs, homie. Only eggs can sustain me.
ow, my fuck. My throat is gonna be fucking stripped bare tomorrow, I swear to God.
Your fuck?
My throat.
No, you said ow my fuck though.
Yeah, I said, oh my fuck.
Harm me. I
Okay, now I gotta
land
watch
on
out
the
of this match.
roof. Yes. Here I am.
Hey, pump it up. Hey, assault rifle.
Yeah, me.
Assault me. A dare.
Croissant.
What? Croissant?
Explosive weapons everywhere.
Croissant?
You gotta do that.
Croissant? I got shit for you. If you want it. I don't want that.
Austin, I don't know what you're saying right now.
And I don't want that.
Modes where explosive weapons are everywhere.
Yeah, I know. It's fucking cancer, bro. It's
It is.
It's,
It is cancer. You are correct. It's called cancer.
How
my God,
much?
if you're gonna eat
How much
like a
suck?
million little baby, what you
How
want.
much
I'm gonna
suck
take
could a
this
suck
one,
could suck suck?
Now, what do
If
you
a
think?
good suck could suck suck.
What are you saying? Now you're gonna shut up.
I always say, if you don't get a weapon, you're fucked because you get blown the fuck up.
I am the mineral man who brings minerals
No,
to
there was nothing in there.
So bad.
selling bug spray to Ugandans. The Krabby Patty formula.
You're doing that creepy looking plankton, aren't you?
The Krabby Patty formula. Karen.
That's Homer. That's Homer when he's drooling.
Harm me. Only X can sustain me. Only X can sustain me.
I should have showed off my
shield.
I should have showed
shield.
off. I'm coming. I should have showed off my Marge voice for your military friends.
Yes.
You think they would enjoy that?
They would enjoy that.
Good. I'll do it next time we play together.
You need to eat vitamins. Vitamins! Ah!
Damn it!
That scared the shit out of me. You scared the fuck out of me!
Oh shit, there's a chest right here.
God damn it! You guys! Fuck.
Bobby.
Bobby.
Pig.
That boy ain't right. What?
Blue is better than green, right? Yeah, blue's better.
Propane. And propane
Oh.
accessories.
Oh.
Oh. This is us playing. This is just us playing, you know, weird noises.
Slurp juice.
So, blue juice. He's so nice. Can I have it?
I took it.
Oh,
Take my
you're right.
bandages.
Hold on. I don't know why I haven't drank this yet.
Let's go, man.
Yes. Yes.
I just found a launcher off the spawn. Okay, we need to go.
Oh, cool. Yes, we should go.
Oh shit, I didn't make it.
Shelling bug spray. To Ugandans in wheelchairs.
Oh, that's why you
The age of man is over. The time of the orc has come.
I'm lost of launcher ammo though.
don't.
Your fucking build is cancer.
There's another.
What are you, a cunt?
I have a fucking pump shotgun that I don't want.
Damn it, that shit fell down there.
No,
God damn it.
I almost jumped for it. Oh my god.
Imagine.
I was like, hey, grenades. Hey,
Why are
fuck
you
it.
hitting cars?
I don't know what you're talking about.
They're loud.
I don't know what you're talking about though.
Here, take this so you have 75 shield.
Blue juice.
Slurps it.
Smurf liquids.
I'm gonna make my way back down. Make my way downtown.
Is
Walking
Dylan gonna get on, or is
fast.
he gonna be a cuck still?
I don't know. Let's assume the former.
That he's gonna get?
Yes. I assume he's waiting for us to finish. He's waiting for the climax. Yes. That's fucked up. Prepare yourself for my
Here's your
final form. A green assault rifle. Hey, I heard something in there. What's in there? I can't.
Nothing for you.
Fuck. You lie. There was something with my name on it in there.
There was not.
There was. Hey, I heard something. I hear a hand cannon.
Ooh, I want that. I want that if you're not gonna take it.
I took it. I took it though.
It's fucking noise.
But I hear a chest. I think.
You did, I got it.
Oh. You did?
Yeah, there was a
I'm gonna-
chest in there. I took it.
Oh, well, I'm gonna check the ceiling anyways. Just in case. No, 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 no. Come on. Oh, fuck! I'm on the other side of the... No! I thought it was weird that we didn't see anyone. Oh, shit, we're so far away. I'm so used to jumping inside the circle. Fuck!
I love how we just started screaming at the same time. We're just...
No! Oh, no! My health!
You didn't hear Dylan, he was in the very background. He goes, "Damn, Nature, you scared me."
I did hear him. He's right next to me.
No, I'm talking to Austin. He didn't hear.
Yes. All right, we have Good thing you got those bandages.
I don't know if you're gonna make it, Nathan.
No,
I
I'll
don't know if
make
you're gonna make it.
I'm gonna. I see where it stopped. If I can see it, I'm gonna make it. That's
not always.
It is the case. I have too good of shit to stop.
I heard that.
Yes. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Are you ready for the climax? I'm almost there. Oh, yeah. Ah!
Oh my god.
Made it.
Good. I'm glad you made it.
Thank you. I made it to the finish line.
We need to go to Shifty Shafts and see if we can pick up some scraps, because I need to fucking heal.
I do like
Badly.
shafts.
But they're shifty.
They are shifty. That's why you have to watch them closely.
Why are you talking like that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Uh-huh.
Wait for me, dude.
No!
We're doing
I'm
duos.
gonna get the loot. I'm gonna get the loot first.
Alright, fine. You're not gonna be able to carry it all.
That's not the point.
No, by logic, you need a pack mule. I am more than happy to oblige.
There's a half shield. Get this half shield. You need shield.
I do need shield. You are correct.
Give me that fucking green AR. Did this even get looted? Because I'm finding like chests and ammo and shit down here.
This might be a dumb question, but what does impulse grenades do?
They push people.
Oh, fun.
They
Oh
don't hurt
shit!
them, they just push
Shit! I
people.
hear. Is that you? Was that you?
No, I'm not. I'm not near you.
I heard something. Don't
What'd you
move.
hear?
I don't know. It sounded violent, like someone was breaking something, and it sounded close to me.
Definitely wasn't me.
So you didn't break
Keep your head on.
anything.
No.
Head on a swivel. Got it. Oh my god.
I think it's time for us to go, Nathan.
Yes, I
it's time.
agree. I agree.
Let's skedaddle. Let's go to Tilted.
Yeah, okay. I can. Yeah, sure. I'm kind of guessing that's where the last fight's gonna be.
Yeah, that looks like a good place for the circle to go.
That'll be cool though. That'll be cool.
That's how ours is. Are we in the same game?
We've never done a.
So I'm like, you see that?
Wait, did he start? Did he start when we started? Because it's. I mean, it's a possibility that he's in this game.
No, he's in explosives only. So.
Nah. Ew. Oh shit! Look over there. Is that something? I can't see
fuck.
that far.
People,
I need.
get down, get down, get down,
Get
get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
I'm down. I'm down. Jesus.
See him?
I see him. Yeah.
Look at him going, man. We need to get off this hill.
Yeah, I think they
Dude,
saw
we're
me.
too conspicuous.
I'm like 100% sure they saw
Oh, there's
me.
a dude over here. There's a dude over here too.
Like, do we have the high ground?
That don't mean nothing. Not in this game. Ow, it fucking hurt. I already have low as
Fuck!
fuck health.
I was already falling when you said it hurt. And I was like, well, damn. Oh god! There's a guy shooting at you, Mikey.
Yeah, I know. Trying to figure that out.
Get your build shit out of here. Ah! Fuck! Oh, Jesus! Jesus! Oh, I killed myself. I'm sorry. He didn't finish me off, though, which is weird. He's coming back to do the job, though. I'm gonna see if I can slide out without him seeing me. Do not shoot me, you fucks. Yes! Yes! I'm crawling away! There's a chance. There is a super shotgun next to me. Build! Find you! Damn, son. We placed 10th.
Kill yourself so we can go to your squad.
Game's almost over.
You're not gonna win anyway.